My brother President Tayyip Erdogan was very kind to call me on 27th of August and offered his condolences for those thousands of people who have died, including about 300 children, and extended his fullest support for the people of Pakistan. We are also very grateful to the people of Turkey, who have, like always, extended their support to the people of Pakistan. And I know that private businessmen and other friends from Turkey are sending lots of goods to Pakistan, and we are very thankful for this timely support. Within no time, after my telephone conversation with President Tayyip Erdogan, military airplanes took off from Istanbul and Ankara with plane full of goods, and now trains have also started moving towards Pakistan. This is something we deeply appreciate and we are deeply touched. We have received tents, medicines, food and other items which are being distributed to various parts of Pakistan. These unprecedented cloudbursts and torrential rains have hit the province of Sindh the most, the province of Balochistan, the province of KP, and the province of Punjab, and the regions up north, Gilgit, Baltistan, and partly Azad Jammu and Kashmir. And these rainfalls have been the highest in the last 40 years. We are very grateful to all of you, and I'd like to thank you once again for your visit. This will convey a very warm and wonderful message to the four nook and corner of Pakistan, and the people of Pakistan would be deeply happy and appreciate your gesture. Kindly convey my very warm regards to President Tayyip Erdogan and Turkish leadership. I know National Disaster Management Agency has arranged a presentation today later in the morning, but I would just touch upon the broad parameters of this devastating damage done to Pakistan. As I said, more than 1,000 people have been killed by these floods, including 300 children. Millions of people have become homeless. They have lost their life savings. Crops washed away, livestock drowned, and damage to houses. People are now spending nights under open sky. So I have not seen this kind of catastrophic situation in my lifetime, and I hope and pray to Allah Almighty that this will never happen again. With Allah's support and your wonderful help, we will inshallah recover from it and move forward. Tashakkur daram.
वज़ीराअज़म शहबाज शरीफ तुर्किया से आए वफ़द से मुलाकात कर रहे थे। उनका उनसे गुफ्तगू करते हुए कहना था कि तुर्किया का इमदादी तियारा भी आ चुका है। इमदाद, हमदर्दी और मुखसरा इक़दामात पर हम तुर्किया की गवर्नमेंट के मशकूर हैं। तुर्किया की जानिब से ट्रेनों के ज़रिए इमदाद पाकिस्तान आ रही है। पाकिस्तान में सैलाब से तबाही हुई, तुर्किया ने इस मुश्किल सूरत हाल में हमारा साथ दिया। पाकिस्तान में सैलाब से 300 से ज़ायद बच्चों की अमवात हुई। तुर्किया ने हमेशा मुश्किल वक्त में पाकिस्तान की मदद की। पाकिस्तान और तुर्किया के दरमियान बहुत बेहतरीन ताल्लुकात हैं। न्यूज़ स्टूडियो से फिल वक्त इतना ही। मज़ीद अपडेट्स के लिए देखते रहिए कोहिनूर न्यूज़।